Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Knowledge 59. K59 involves applying analytics to improve processes, operations, and outputs. The goal is to create tangible value, save money, save time, or make a better product. Think of it as diagnosing a problem with data and prescribing a fix. You need to show that your analysis actually changed something for the better. Here is your cheat sheet. Process mining, use this to find bottlenecks and improve speed. Forecasting, use this to predict demand and optimize costs. Root cause analysis, use this to find why defects happen and improve quality. A/B testing, use this to compare options and optimize outputs. Here is how to apply this tomorrow. Identify a repetitive task. Measure how long it takes. Automate it using your data skills. Report the win. I improved this process, saving 2 hours a week. Screenshots of the time saved are your evidence. Use this STAR structure. Situation, customer support response times were too slow. Task, I needed to improve the operation. Action, I analyzed peak call times. I recommended a new shift pattern that matched the data demand. Result, wait times dropped by 50%. Reflection, I learned that aligning resources with data-driven demand is the key to operational improvement. For your major project, include a business benefits section. Calculate the value. Estimated savings, £10,000. Write an impact statement. This project streamlined the invoicing process, reducing errors by 20%. This proves the ROI of your work. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices, just like you, who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.